Akaunti ya Kisii ni mambĩrĩirie gũthuthuria gĩko kĩa ndũgamano gatagatĩ ka ikundi igĩrĩ cia atwarithia a nduthi iria iratumũkire na gũtiga andũ 10 na nguraro kũrĩa andũ amwe ihinda-inĩ rĩrĩ maramũkĩra ũrigiti thibitarĩ-inĩ. Ndũgamano iraumĩrire thutha wa mũcemanio ũrĩa ũratongoragio nĩ ateti a ngwatanĩro ya Azimio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Mwingi kĩa Kisii. Atwarithia aya a nduthi marang'ethanagĩra methaĩte na hiũ na matharaita mangĩ, gĩkundi kĩmwe arĩ kĩrĩa kĩnyitaga mbaru mwaho wa Azimio na angĩ makinyita mbaru mwaho wa uteti wa Kenya Kwanza. Makumi mao marahunya
wanapanga ile timu ya Fred Moto. Yani walikuja wakisema hawatambui ya basi. Sasa wakatuvamia tukiwa kasi kama kawaida.
Si wenyewe hatukuwa aware, hatukuwa tunatarajia kama wanakuja. So tulikuwa tu kwa office, tukashtukia tu watu wanakuja wengi wakipiga kelele na mafungu na mapanga. Wengine walikuwa wanamebeba mpaka mawe, wanarusha mawe. So wamebeba vitu zetu mingi, pikipiki, kila kitu. Na bado walisema wataendelea hivi mpaka waone watu wa governor ama watu wa governor wenye wapo nyuma ya stadium wameondoka na hakuna pale watapelekwa, hawatishwi na mtu yoyote so long as serikali iko nyuma yao.
We haven't had any mortality so far and we'll be watching closely to see how they fare on. For now, we are putting them under very close observation by our medical team.
It's unfortunate that we can witness this, and I'm reliably informed that the gang which was attacking people with pangas and rungus were guarded by the police officers. Since then, I've spoken to the county commander, the regional commander, and the PS interior. Just on an ad, I'm told the gang is led by one criminal who has been marauding around, whereas the gentleman, I'm told, he has had 3 warrant arrests from court.